to identify a Yamaha RX original bike with original parts, part number. Come, let's take a look. This is where 5-speed meter looks like. You can identify with the speedometer. First we have 3, 4, 5 gears. You can see there 5. This is what original 5-speed looks like. And the key, yes, it comes with a Scots in this way, and you will get a symbol over this. And next, if you go to the tank, this is how 5-speed tank looks like. You can see here, this is called fish mode tank. I have a marking on it which comes with the showroom to mix a fuel percentage. To identify a 5-speed block, come look away. On the left side of the bike you can find the block name with a coding of 4TL10 and 132 centimeter per square. On the left side you will find this. On the right side you will find E1. On some bikes of original 5-speed you will get E22. On the next we will find carburetor. This is where 5-speed carburetor looks like, as it is as 4-speed, but the coding is different and the jet size is different. You will find 4TL20. This is what 5-speed carburetor marking is. On the kicker we will find 4TL. This is what 5-speed kicker which comes from showroom. All the parts has its own marking. How 5-speed head looks like. On the right side of the bike you can find M marking. You can find from the outside of the bike. On the other side, on the left side you can find N. Now we will see inside of the head. We will remove the head and we will just identify how the 5-speed head looks like. We have another head removed from a 5-speed bike. This is where it looks like. On the bottom of the bike you will find 09L and 2 marking. And the shape is different from the 4-speed and 5-speed. We have 2200 marking. It is the original Yamaha marking. On behalf side, yeah, it has same N and M on the top of the bike. You can just watch it from outside. This is where you can look right side of the bike, clutch cover or magnet. We have different shape and size, which comes with 5-speed. On the left side of the bike we will find another shape and size. This is what 5-speed original 5-speed looks like. We will have local too. Now we are showing the original and we will show the difference of 4-speed. This is how 4-speed looks like. Left side and right side of the bike you can see 4-speed one, and you can identify now easily. All know about 5-speed, but who don't know, I am showing for them. You can just watch the cases. On the right you have different. On the left you have different one. Let's watch how the exhaust pipe looks like. This is where the exhaust looks like. You can see, right? We have 2 pieces of exhaust, extra pieces. This is the one to reduce the heat, and the other one for look and the safety, which comes with two pieces. Bottom one is with black, you can see right here, and the upper one is chrome. On the behind of the exhaust we can find the muffler with 3 screws. If we want to modify any exhaust we can remove here and modify. And now you can look where exhaust pipe fits. This is where the bolt and the angle black. In 4-speed we will not get this angle over here. You can see right here how we don't have the shape in 4-speed. Yeah, let's check the 4-speed one how it looks like. This is how 4-speed looks like. You can see over here we don't have extra clamp to fit a silencer. This is where 4-speed looks like. This is how it looks like when we remove the exhaust pipe of 5-speed. We have removed and we have shown you how the 5-speed angle looks like. This is where extra space is given for any toolbox, toolkit. This is where we can keep any tools of 5-speed. When we lock, we have extra lock over here. You can see here. We want to press this backwards, and it will be opened. Now we can look the doom or headlight of 5-speed, which comes with a branding of Minda. Now we are getting it in Yamaha showroom, but we will not get the original 5-speed one. You can see over the top of the headlight ring, it has mentioned with top and an arrow mark going towards the sky. On the part number over the left side of the doom, you can watch it. This is what the original items looks like and the different part number. And now you can look out the indicator, which comes with a marking. Our original ones we will get only from the showroom, but now we are not getting the original ones with a one marking over here. You can see over here one marking. On the right side of the mirror you can see indicator H4. We have the original part numbers over here. On back side also you can just watch. Over here you can see over here we have H3. On the right side one we have over here. You can just watch here. This not you cannot see here, but you can watch it. And now you can look the seat, where from the behind of the bike you will get Yamaha marking and a chrome ring, which will be perfectly fitted to the seat. You can just watch here how the seat looks like with the original cover over here. It has all the patterns. This is the original bike which comes with. And you can look out the front mudguard with a single hole. This is the where single hole mudguard looks like. You can look over here. Now we are getting the 2 holes, which comes with a showroom, Yamaha showroom. And we have left side of the shocker with a marking of ELP. You can look there. Look here, ELP. On the other half you can see the rim also. On the front rim we will get Manda KO near the wall, air wall. On the tire size is front one 2.75 into 18 rim. This is what front tire size. On back also we will have marking over the rim. Yeah, on the right side over here you can see Manda CO. We have on front we have KO, on back of we have CO. And on the shock absorber you can just identify with Escorts here. And we have part number of 2000. It is over this side. You can look over here with the model and the part number 2000. We have on the left side too. Here you can see 2000. And we have chain cover with a coding. They have mentioned the air pressure size. For single we have 24 psi. For rear 28 psi. This is what air pressure is mentioned over here. And on all the bolts we have LPS bolts, which comes with only original bike. We will get only in original bike. You can just watch over here. LPS, behind LPS. All bolts have LPS branding. You can see here also on lever. Wait, it is not zooming on the right side of. It is getting bad. We cannot find over here. Yeah, now LPS. Over right side also we have LPS. On the front axle we have MTG. On the center axle we have MTG branding. You can watch over here. And 5-speed center stand has a different look too. This is where 5-speed stand looks like. And we have different one. Yeah, I'll show you the 4-speed one too. This is where 4-speed one looks like. You can just watch it here. It just has a pin over here. Here you can find the difference one. It just has the short one, and 5-speed has the long one, long rod. And the back tire size is 3.0 15 18 rim. We have 3.00 minus 18 rim, 18 tire, sorry. You can start the bike and look the sound, how it sounds like. The petrol switch. Yeah, now it is in reserve, I think so. Yeah, reserve and on. Kickstart. This is what exhaust like looks like. Let's ride the bike and watch the performance. It has awesome performance. You can just comes with a 14 bhp. Yeah, all the electrician work is been working. You can see left. Yeah. Just watch that. All the lighting has been working. Then you can watch. We have removed the tank. This is the 5-speed CD unit, which comes with the original one, made in India, and part number over here. You can see over here, Indian Nippon Electricians. This is the original one. It will be located beneath the tank, and this is the power box. Every item has its part number, its own part number. You can watch it here. This is the local one. You can watch how the local one looks like and the original one. This is the difference between the original and local one. Remove these 3 screws over here. We'll find the magnet coil. This is how it looks. Wait, we'll just open and show you the 5-speed coil, where 12 volts 40L4 with a coding and a 0500 marking over here. On the magnet, you can see the magnet. You just open it. This is how it looks from the inside one of the magnet. The coding over here, you can see here. And the coil one, it has to the marking, and it is also made in India. You can see over here how it looks like from the back and front. On the back side we can find the coding over here, 4TL56030. And on the coil too you can see the number. It has written the year of manufactured and the month. You can see over here 11 July 2000.